Tired of ineffective weight loss solutions? Baffled by the myriad of complicated diets and strenuous exercise regimes? Ever wondered if there's a simpler, more natural way to shed those stubborn pounds? Enter the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, a potent yet delicious supplement inspired by the diets of one of the healthiest and longest living communities in the world. This is no ordinary juice. It's a scientifically backed, all-natural concoction designed to kickstart your metabolism, elevate your energy, and burn fat around the clock. Imagine starting your day with a refreshing blend of nature's finest, a juice that not only tantalizes your taste buds but also sets your body's fat-burning engine into high gear. That's what the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice offers. Its unique formulation is designed to eat through stubborn fat, transforming your body into a 24/7 fat-burning machine. Whether it's flab you want to get rid of or pounds you want to shed, the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is your answer. Its potent action dissolves wobbly fat, obliterates flab, and helps remove pounds every 4 days. It's like a 7-second weed trick that eats through belly flab. Did we mention it's tasty too? It's a purple mojito that's not just a treat for your palate, but also a boon for your waistline. This newly discovered juice awakens metabolism and melts weight daily. It's an ancient juice that activates 24/7 fat burning. So why wait? It's time to embrace a healthier, leaner you. Click the link below and embark on your weight loss journey with the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. Remember, a healthier future is just a sip away. And before you go, please do us a favor. Hit that like button. It helps us reach more people like you who are ready to transform their lives one sip at a time. Stay healthy, stay lean, and keep sipping the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. Click the link below for free details on Ikaria Lean Belly Juice.